Want to save money on your next international money transfer? Then learning about Worldremit's referral program is exactly what you need. First, open the Worldremit app or visit their website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, quickly sign up. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or a menu button, usually found in the top right or left corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile or the menu will open a drop-down or sidebar. Scroll down to find an option that says something like Invite a friend, Refer a friend, or simply Referrals. Tap or click on this option. You'll now be on your referral page. Here, you'll find your unique referral code and a referral link. You can either copy the code directly or use the share buttons to send the link via email, text message, or social media. Share your code or link with friends and family who are new to Worldremit. When they sign up using your code and make their first qualifying transfer, both of you will usually receive a reward, such as a discount or a bonus amount. Remember, referral programs come with terms and conditions. Check the Worldremit website for the specifics on qualifying transfers, reward amounts, and any limitations. Happy transferring, and enjoy those savings.